Check this out, guys. Oh, wow. Big storm. Big storm. My car's getting washed. The gutters are overflowing. Water is coming into the garage. Water everywhere. One minute it's nice and sunny, next minute we come hit with this. Big winds. I'm shivering, so sorry if the camera's moving a bit. Exciting stuff. Solar system's playing up over there because I'm blinking on and off. Exciting. Well, we're going to keep nice and dry. Guys, you should check this out. Flash flood. Zakani's out of here. She says, I'm not putting up with that noise. Oh, poor girl. She says, that was scary, Dad. That loud noise. So that creek was only a trickle. Wow, look at it pouring down over there. So the gutter's just absolutely so much water. Wow, exciting stuff. Very exciting. Wow, that creek has gone up so quickly. There used to be just a trickle. I wish I could take you out there. I'll see if I can find an umbrella and take you out. Apologies guys, I can't find an umbrella anyway, but look at that creek. Oh, if the camera will take it. Take this camera. And that was just a trickle. Really blowing now. Poor duck. The water's just pouring out of the gutter. Look at the ground. Light ground. Malachi would love to dig a hole in there. Perfect spot for a hole. That creek is really coming up. Yeah, so they'll be closing that road down soon. They'll be going underwater in the next couple of minutes. Anyway, take care guys if you're out there. Look after yourselves.